Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Do you know if your iPhone is refurbished or original? Most of the time we buy refurbished iPhone because many of us don't know how to check refurbished iPhone. In today's video, I will show you how to check if the iPhone is refurbished or original. iPhone model number is required to check if the iPhone is refurbished. We will find the model number of the iPhone in the settings. At first, you have to go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on about. Here we can see the iPhone model number. Pay carefully attention to the model number because this will reveal the origin of the iPhone. If the model number starts with M, it was purchased new from Apple. If the model number starts with F, it was refurbished by Apple or a carrier. If the model number starts with P, it was sold as a personalized iPhone with an engraving. If the model number starts with N, Apple provided it as a replacement device for a malfunctioning iPhone. If you find that your phone was refurbished, it is not necessarily cause for alarm. Apple puts its certified refurbished products through a rigorous process that makes them like new. They clean each unit thoroughly, replace any broken parts if necessary, and change the battery and the outer shell. Hope you understand how to check refurbished iPhone after watching the videos. So this was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.